Local businessman Wikino Chavhayo, who is very close to President Emerson Mnangagwa, is currently in Harare, but has not yet been interviewed by the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission (SADC), which is badly looking for him in connection with the corrupt $40 million election tender scandal that is sagged in high-profile government officials. Sarabena mashoko abla chinongo pana pane the news hogs loti bo subscribe or like ubotina on the bell icon tikontina vanonyora vachiti. This scandal includes the Chief Secretary to Cabinet Martin Rushwaya, Central Intelligence Organization CIO Director General Isaac Moyo, and Zimbabwe Electoral Commission ZEC Chairperson Priscilla Chigumba. This comes amid speculation that he is still out of the country. Chavhayo is locked in a bitter fight with his estranged business partners Moses Mpofu and Mike Chimombe, who are furiously accusing him of robbing them on payments over the deal. Ndo mashoko ari kubuda panapa. I know kuti pane mashoko ambofamba achitendera chinza aiwa Wikino Chavhayo akatiza vamwe akaita aenda ku UK, but izvezvi kuita kunzi mukomana arimo munyika yeZimbabwe asi ZADC asati amuinterviewa. Pane madevelopments aitika nhasi apa toona na Mike Chimombe vanonosvika ku ZADC unosangana na office angaifanira kuva interview, but anonoti aiwa he's busy with his business. Asi tinoona kuti now iyi very controversial. Apa muna officer pangamboita busy achitadza kuhandle this issue. Amene ndichipotedza mafungiro enyu nokudii pamusoro pe now iyi. Aiwa pena kumene section medu, subscribe, kulike, chinotina on the bell icon.